Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize the Peacock app on Xbox, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, turn on your Xbox and navigate to the home screen. Using your controller, scroll down to the store section. Select search and type in Peacock to find the app. Once you locate the Peacock app, click on it to open the app page. Select Get or Install to download the app to your console. Wait for the installation to complete, then return to the home screen. Find the Peacock app in your library and click on it to launch. When the app opens, you will see a prompt to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select Sign In. You will see an activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this code as you will need it for the next step. Now, grab a device like your smartphone or computer. Open a web browser and go to peacocktv.com/Xbox. Enter the activation code from your Xbox in the designated field. Click Continue to proceed with the activation process. Follow any additional prompts to complete the sign-in process. Return to your Xbox once the activation is successful. The Peacock app will refresh and you will be logged in. You can now start enjoying your favorite shows and movies on the Peacock app. Ensure that your Xbox is connected to the internet for seamless streaming. That's how you authorize the Peacock app on your Xbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.